crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today we are making a sweet birthday card, so stay tuned. Today I'm playing around with the Concord 9th paper bouquet dies. This is what a sample looks like. I wanted to use this for a birthday card for my sister-in-law, so I thought this would be such a cute idea. I went through and I cut out all of the pieces, so you don't have to wait for me to do that. So I wanted to let you know the colors, and I used all Concord 9th cardstocks for this. I will list everything that I used today in the description box, and I do have affiliate links. For this foliage, this leaf spray, that was Evergreen. For this little one, I used Parsley, and for this one as well for the flower stems. And then on this one, this is Clover. And then these bigger flowers, this is Sorbet. And then these little flowers here, I used Ballet Slipper and Honeysuckle. And then for the flower centers for these, I use Nectar. And then for the flower wrap and the wrap that you put on the bouquet, I use powder. So let me go through and I'm going to put these together, and then we can start assembling the card. Alright, let me show you what I've done so far. I put our beautiful bouquet together, and the fun thing is that each layer has a kind of like a rectangle at the bottom. I can show you on the dies. So you can see right here on all of the bottoms, so when you cut them out, you know exactly where you need to layer them together. So that was very easy. And then there's a little die here, which is the wrap. So I just glued these together and then glued them all together into a little bouquet. For this, I cut a panel. It's 4 by 5 1/4, and I used the Concord 9th Quirky Stripe Stencil with the powder ink, which matches the wrap for the flowers, and just stenciled that on there just for a little bit of interest. Out of Simon Says Stamp Vellum, I cut this, and I thought it would be a nice landing spot for this to kind of break this up. This particular die is from Papertrey Ink, and it's Love to Layer Delightful Brackets, and there's 3 in there. There's one right in the bottom here, you can see in the back, so you can get a lot of different cool layers on that. So I have this little ribbon on here. This actually came from a set from Amazon, but I wanted to give it kind of like a vintage soft feel. So the thing that I just wanted to point out is that when you are trying to make a bow look straight on something that's a triangle, what I actually did is I cut the ribbon in half, and I started it on the front, and I put a piece of double-sided, there's another piece underneath this one, and then I took the paper off and then I folded it around, and you're gonna see that the tails go up this way, and that's because of the triangle. But if you do it that way, so it's angling up behind, it will stay straight on the front. So once I got that placed where I wanted to, I just added another piece of double-sided tape over that to kind of hold that in place. So we need to put our flowers in, but this is how this works. And as a surprise, if my sister-in-law opens this or not, she'll have a little surprise on the inside that says "Love you lots." So let's get this put together. So we need to get our flowers in here, and you can kind of get them situated where you like them and how far you know, in or up you want them to be. I think that's good. Alright, so I'm just going to glue these in here. And excitingly enough, my glue is working today. So, always a good thing. I'm just going to wiggle that up just a little. I want this flower to be able to be poking out. So you can always adjust before the glue dries. And we can kind of pop that over. Just want to make sure that's dry before we shut that. So this I was thinking about using my Xyron sticker maker and making this into a sticker so it would lay flat, but I actually kind of like the way that it's curling up there. Yeah, I think that'll look really cute. I just need to get this tied together. Again, I'm just trying to make sure there's no wet glue to stick this. So this has a little tab on here, so you can put that in there. Hopefully get this tied and then trim down the edges if we need. I just think this adds a nice little touch to the whole thing. And I like how this ribbon is kind of distressed. Alright, I think that looks so cute. Alright, so I think this is how this will go. So what we can do is put this on the vellum piece and then put that onto here because we'll know where to glue on the back. I'm kind of wondering if we need some foam tape. I think I will do that. I have the new Altenew. This is a 1/4 inch and it is 1/16 of loft. So it's very thin. just need to figure out the best way to get this on here. Do get under there. All right. Okay, I think that looks good. So now the cool thing is that you know exactly where you can put the glue. Trying to get this centered up as best as I can. Find my block. I wonder if I can do it like this. It's very awkward with the flowers on there. Alright, let's see. I had a card base around here. There we go. So I'm just going to use my tape runner. Ah, I think this looks so cute. Oh my goodness. Kind of debating about bling, but I'm not really sure. I I think it will be just fine, but I can see I have some Concord 9th Enamel Dots. We can see if we have any of that. Nope, none of those. Let me see if I can find the blue ones. Hold on. Alright, I found the powder ones. Because I really don't want to add too much like blingy sparkle, but it might be nice to just have a couple of these around. These little ones are like, no. And I think too, I'm gonna see if I can find my sparkle pen. Maybe just add a little. All right. I think this came out absolutely adorable. Look at that. So we used our we have the Concord 9th powder dots. We have the paper bouquet dies. We use this beautiful ribbon. We have the paper bouquet stamp set on the inside for a little surprise. The Papertrey Ink Love to Layer Delightful Brackets for the vellum. We used a sparkle pen. We used all kinds of different Concord 9th colors to cut out all of the dies for our bouquet. And we used the Quirky Stripe Stencil in the background. And I think that was it. But I think this turned out adorable. I think that she will really like it. And it looks so pretty. Alright, anyway, if you've enjoyed today's video, I would appreciate it if you could click that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Come check me out over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, any crafty sales I come across, so that's a great resource to you. I think that is it. Again, everything will be listed in the description box. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And until next time, take care.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.